What's up, y'all? It's your girl Brandy from Stay Snatched, and today we are making air fryer fish sticks. No frozen convenience food for us. We're out here making our own. So let's get started. First, you want to take 1 pound of skinless cod fillets or any whitefish that you wish. This is my favorite type of fish to use. And then go ahead and slice that up into sticks or strips. And then take 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 beaten egg, 1/2 cup of panko breadcrumbs, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, 1/2 teaspoon of lemon pepper seasoning, and combine that with the breadcrumbs. And then spray your air fryer basket with a little bit of oil. I like to use olive oil. And dip each piece of fish into the flour. And then into the egg. And then into the breadcrumbs. When you've got it fully dredged, go ahead and apply that to the air fryer basket. And then spritz the top of that fish with just a little bit of oil and air fry that fish for 5 minutes on 400 degrees. Open up the air fryer and flip the fish. Spritz it with a little bit more oil. And then go ahead and put that back in the air fryer on 400 degrees for another 5 to 7 minutes or until the fish is crisp. I like to serve this with fresh squeezed lemon, tartar sauce, Louisiana hot sauce, you name it, it's good, y'all.